Introduction to BitLocker Encryption.
BitLocker is a built-in Windows feature that encrypts your entire hard drive, helping keep your data safe from unauthorized access. If your computer is lost or stolen, BitLocker ensures your information remains protected. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable and configure BitLocker for full disk encryption on your Windows PC step by step.
Checking system requirements.
Before setting up BitLocker, make sure your version of Windows supports it. BitLocker is available on Windows Professional, Enterprise, and Education editions. You'll also need a trusted platform module, TPM chip, which most modern computers have. You can check your Windows Edition and TPM status in the System Information and Device Manager tools.
How to enable BitLocker.
To start, open the Control Panel, go to System and Security, and select BitLocker Drive Encryption. Find the drive you want to encrypt and click Turn on BitLocker. The setup wizard will guide you through the process, including creating a recovery key and choosing where to save it. Follow the prompts to continue.
Configuring encryption settings.
BitLocker gives you options for encryption. You can encrypt just use disk space for faster setup, or the entire drive for maximum security. Choose a mode that fits your needs. You'll also select a way to unlock your drive, such as a password or PIN. Make sure to store your recovery key in a safe location.
Starting the encryption process.
Once you've set your preferences, click Start Encrypting. BitLocker will begin encrypting your drive. This may take some time, depending on the drive size and amount of data. During this process, you can continue using your computer, but performance may be temporarily reduced. When finished, your drive is fully protected with encryption.
Managing and using BitLocker.
After enabling BitLocker, you can manage at any time from the BitLocker Drive encryption settings in the Control Panel. Here you can change your password, back up your recovery key, or suspend protection. Remember, if you forget your password and lose your recovery key, you might lose access to your encrypted data.
Conclusion and best practices.
BitLocker offers strong protection for your personal and business data. Always keep your recovery key in a safe place. Update your password regularly and stay informed about your device's security features. BitLocker makes it easy to keep your sensitive files secure, giving you peace of mind on your Windows PC.